In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI rules in Asana. By the end, you'll know how to turn everyday project tasks into simple, automated workflows using clear, natural language. This is great for reducing manual updates, keeping tasks moving, and making sure nothing slips through the cracks. First, open Asana in your browser or desktop app. You'll land on your home, My Tasks, or a recent project. We're going to work inside a specific project because rules live at the project level and affect tasks in that project. Pick a project where automation would help, maybe a team board where tasks move through stages, or a request queue that needs fast triage. Make sure you have permission to edit the project. If you can't customize it, you may need access from an admin or the project owner. With your project open, look to the top right corner and click Customize. This opens the project customization panel where you manage fields, forms, and of course, rules. Think of this panel as your control center for how work behaves in this project. Inside the Customize panel, click Rules. Here, you'll see any existing automations and a place to create new ones. Asana offers templates, but today we're focusing on AI rules, which let you describe what you want in plain English and have Asana build it for you. Click Add to start creating a new rule. This opens the rule builder with AI support enabled. You'll see an area where you can type a prompt. The key to getting a great rule is to be specific about the trigger and the action. Describe when the rule should run, what it should do, and any conditions or fields it should consider. Type a prompt to create your rule. For example, you might write, when a task is moved to the in review section, assign it to the QA lead, set the due date to 2 business days, and add the review priority field as high. Or, if a task is marked blocked, add a comment asking for a blocker description and mention the project owner. You can reference sections, assignees, tags, custom fields, and due dates using natural language. Keep your language clear, avoid vague terms like soon or later, and use the exact names of sections or fields used in your project. If your team relies on consistent naming, include it in the prompt so the rule applies precisely. If you don't see rules or AI options, your workspace plan or permissions may limit access. In that case, check with an admin about enabling rules or upgrading. That's it. You've opened your project, gone to Customize, selected rules, clicked Add, and typed a clear prompt to create an AI-powered automation in Asana.